Make sure that you watch this video till the end. Now, off the top of my head, I can give you 10 reasons why you should own commercial real estate in Lagos alone. One main thing to consider is the location. Everybody needs to see your business. So I welcome you to the Wealthy Place, the first private commercial estate in Ibeju Lekki. The Wealthy Place is the first private commercial estate in Ibeju Lekki. About 2 months ago, physical allocation happened here, and a lot of work has already begun on site. Now, your business needs to be in the eyes of everyone. So we're offering you dry land where you can build your schools, resorts, hotels, and lounge. And if you're looking for a space for a warehouse, this is the place for you. Imagine owning a business close to the Lekki Free Trade Zone. You're also in close proximity to the Lekki Deep Sea Port and Dangote Private Jetty. We also have Kellogg's Cornflakes and Power Oil not too far from you. So here is what you should do right now. Call the number showing on your screen. Send a message. Let me bring you to site. Make sure you own at least 5 plots here at the Wealthy Place.